Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Gynecologist.
Let's break it down.
This medical word confuses many people. The correct way is gynecologist. Start with guy, then n, followed by call, add a soft and finish with gist. Together, gynecologist. Now, let's practice it together 3 times. Gynecologist, gynecologist, gynecologist. If you got it right all 3 times, you just mastered a word even doctors sometimes fumble with.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Gynecologist, 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 gynecologist.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.